Hey y'all, Martha here. Welcome to our School's Out for Summer swap, which is hosted by myself, Jennifer at Scrapbooks and Memories, and Alex at A Bullet for My Snail Mail. You may have seen my video that I posted several weeks ago where I invited people, and Jennifer put out a video as well as Alex, and invited people to do an altered composition notebook. And so I received my composition notebook a few days ago, and so I'm uploading this a little bit early and going to go ahead and schedule it for when it is due, which when you're watching, you will see when that is. But anyway, I received my swap from Bexx at Black Whisper Crafts. Now you're going to find in the description all of the ladies who joined in. This was an international event and there were 14 of us all together. And we had kind of an odd number, so we didn't exactly swap person to person. We just kind of went down the line, like Bexx sent hers to me, I sent mine to someone else. So that's the way it worked. But I want to say thank you to Jennifer and Alex, who were very easygoing and nice to work with, and we all pitched in and did our part, and it was a great experience. So let me get into it. I've already opened it, but it was wrapped so beautifully inside. I didn't open it till I decided to make the video. So let me dig it out. All of these packing peanuts, I put it back in the peanuts because I wanted to protect it from my cats. I was afraid they would get into it. But let me pick these up. I maybe should have done this part before I started recording, but here we are. Alright. Okay, I've got about all of the packing peanuts picked up, except for what the ones fell on the floor. Okay. Let me make sure I am in frame so you can see this gorgeousness. My daughter said it was so beautiful. So, there we go. That's a little better, I think, maybe. You've seen my painty pajamas. I've done painting and crafting in these, and so I just wear them around the house now, and when I craft, I put them on. Anyway, isn't this so beautiful? And I just love these greens and this bee paper. It's so beautiful, Bexx. You did an outstanding job. I don't even know where to start because I don't want to mess anything up. So pretty, I'm reluctant to even open it. I have to give you an A+ for presentation. And this beautiful ribbon. Isn't that gorgeous? It's beautiful. I'll have fun reusing that. I don't think there's any saving this paper, but maybe I'll try here to save some of it. There, I saved a little of it. Maybe not for another gift, but for maybe for my junk journals. Okay, boy, Bexx, you really I can't find the end of it. Okay, there we go. This, oh my gosh, I can tell already it's beautiful. Oh wow. Oh my gosh, I love the colors. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. Wow. That doesn't feel like a composition notebook at all. It was June and the world smelled of roses. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. Wow. I am amazed. And here's a little note. Let me see. I will read this later, but it is just beautiful. Oh my God, I love these colors. And look at this little charm. And all this pretty lace and appliques. The back, roses. Oh, I love roses. Okay, let's open it. Oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous. Wow. Look at all this beautiful paper. Look at this. Heart pockets. Oh. Rose embellishments. I wonder if she watched my video where I said I was going to make a rose journal. And this is gorgeous. Little envelope full of stickers. Oh. Oh, they're so beautiful. Wow. I mean, this is so beautiful that it's like it was made specifically with me in mind. Like, I love these colors. I will put those back in there. I love the flowers, the papers. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at the beautiful tickets. Gorgeousness. Wow. More journaling places. Oh, this is going to be my next gratitude journal. Wow. Pretty paper. More journaling. Wow. Oh my God. Oh, look at the stamping over here. I'm just... Oh my gosh. Wow. You can tell this lady is a real journaler. Look at this. Oh, it's just beautiful. Everything just gorgeous. All of the details and the texture. Look at this. I don't even know if that's part of the paper or some kind of ribbon, But whatever it is, it's beautiful. It looks so nice. And then all of these pages for me to journal in, and then she's done some stamping here and there. Look at that. Oop, let me sure I'm in frame here. Oh, I love the stamping you did. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe how it's just rich with detail and gorgeousness. Oh, and here's the middle pocket. That was part of our requirements, a pocket in the middle. And let me see what this says. It was, oh, that's the same quote. Let me see, I can't read that name, who it's by. Maud Hart Lovelace. Or as we would say in the South, Lovelace. Oh, beautiful papers. And all this beautiful antiquing. There's a postcard. Oh, this beautiful paper here. And there's something on this. Oh, look at this page. It's been inked. And I believe this is washi tape. Some more. Oh, it's just full of texture, y'all. This is a little picket fence with a gate. And I think it was probably a die cut. And another journaling card with beautiful stickers. Look at this little clip here. Another page. Oh, some little note pages. How pretty. And we'll put everything back together when I'm done. But look, these gorgeous pages with all the stamping. I love that idea. I didn't even think about that when I made mine, but of course I don't have those beautiful stamps either. It's the most beautiful thing. And look at this page, summer. Oh, that's just, look at those roses. Oh, I just love it. Looks like there's a lot of, oh my goodness, more pages, more journaling cards. Beautiful. She just went above and beyond, and just gorgeous. And look at this beautiful green paper. Another place for journaling. And she made a double pocket. Wait. Turn it around this way. I don't even, oh my gosh, look at all the detail. There's some little cards in here as well. Oh, look at that sticker. I love that. And this beautiful tag. Oh, this is right up my alley. Pink and green, butterflies and roses. Just, wow. I don't even know how I'm gonna get all. Oh, this is like another double pocket like this one was. So many pockets. Oh, I didn't even notice. Oh, another picket fence. I guess that's a die cut. Okay, let's look at this pocket. More beautiful journaling cards and tags. And some inking for to make it vintage. Look at this cute little tag. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, this is, look at this. There's 3 pockets right here. 1, 2, and then the bigger one. Oh, and here's a little envelope. Oh, look at this key clip. That is so sweet. Oh, more little stickers. Oh my gosh. This is just gorgeous. And here's a couple of more little journaling cards right here in this little pocket. And there's even something in this, more in this pocket. Some more journaling paper. Beautiful. I am speechless, Bexx. I'm speechless. It's all just so beautiful. It's amazing. The colors, the vintage look of it, all the beautiful stickers and journaling cards and all the texture and all the lace and cloth and die cuts. It's just, this is the most amazing composition notebook I have ever seen, and I thank you so much, Bexx. It's like you went inside my head and just chose my colors and my flowers that I love and everything, and I'm just amazed. It's so beautiful. I think I'm gonna have a hard time using it. I forgot to put these back in their little envelope. But I'm quiet because I'm just dumbfounded. So please, y'all, go check out Bexx's channel and tell her you saw her beautiful altered composition notebook, and give her some crafty love. Subscribe, watch her videos, and tell her what beautiful work she does. And please, y'all, go watch the other crafters and artists in the description box and visit them as well and see what they received, and just enjoy all the beautiful work that we all did. I don't think mine compares to this, but it's just I'm speechless. But at least just go watch and see what everybody did, and give us all some crafty support and love. And I thank you so much for being here and for watching. Bye now.